Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey and Daytona, Florida. So the last bike we've posted was the father's bike. This bike is the son's bike. The father was so happy with the work we did on the bike, the way it sounded, that a couple days later he brought us the son's bike. This one was a wiring rescue as well. This one was a wiring rescue as well. The amplifier got destroyed because of the way it was wired and the way it was mounted. Wait till you see how this amp was mounted. So we swapped out the amplifier, ran new power and ground wires, added a DSP, created a mount for the new amplifier, wired it up, tuned it up, and the bike sounded great. Same speakers he had. The other mistake they made was they had those lid speakers that are 5x7 that have an adapter for 6x9, but you have to be careful with these adapters. I've said this in previous videos. You have to make sure there's enough clearance for the 6x9. So they ran a good 6x9, but with no adapter. The 6x9 was slapping up against the bottom of the 5x7 to 6x9 adapter. We added a 1/2-inch 6x9 spacer and it fixed it. I've talked about this before in the videos. Everybody just screws the holes in for the 6x9s because the holes match up, but they don't take into account that if the speaker moves forward even a little bit, it slams into that adapter. So 6x9 spacer made the 6x9 sound a million times better because now they're able to move and actually produce bass. When shops do this and the 6x9 doesn't sound good, they just end up raising the high pass filter until the 6x9 has no bass, very little cone movement. It doesn't slap up against the adapter. So the speaker doesn't sound the way it's supposed to sound because they didn't put in a $50 spacer. So we're able to make the 6x9 sound great. We're able to make the 6.5 sound great. Mount the amp solid, he's not gonna have an issue, and ran thicker oxygen-free copper wire so that the amplifier can actually have the amount of current to be able to do its job. Check out the build. Bike came in for a quick wiring rescue and some speaker upgrades. First, fuse just thrown in there, and it's the fuse holder that I hate. So that causes intermittent problems. Aluminum wire, not copper. And if you notice, there's no ground. The reason there's no ground here is they were nice enough to ground in the fairing using red instead of black to make it nice and confusing. Poor ground, we measured the resistance. We have like 3 ohms of resistance between here and the amplifier. And I understand sometimes shops run out of the proper color. You could have taped it all the way to the end so it looked black. The loose connection on the speaker, this one just fell off. That's why that side wasn't playing. This side was going in and out. No spacer between the 6x9 and the 5x7 funnel. So as soon as volume goes up more than a quarter way, the speaker pops and distorts because it's hitting here. So we'll add a spacer to fix that. We'll solder these connections, running new power and ground all the way up from the battery. Solder all these connections, but I think that speaker is blown, but we'll see what else we find along the way. Okay, I've seen a lot in my career, but this is a first. This is the galvanized wire used for fences to hold your chain link fence together, and they used it to sort of kind of hold the amp up. Holy crap, that's definitely a first for me. Quick ABS panel, heat formed around the radio. Screw on this side, screw on that side. DSP fits on top. And that'll get bolted down. New amplifier fits bolted down there and clears the headlight. Serviceable, neat, clean, and quick. And there we are, mounted nice and solid. Josh has to clean up the wiring and test tape it, but it's in there. All 4 screws holding the amp down. No wire hangers, no fence post hangers. Calling your spirit drawing me, good and bad and joy and pain. Hey, go hand in hand. Often they play their roles at the same time. Confused, I don't understand. I don't do everything wrong, and I'm not always right.
She lies at night next to me. She leads me to moonlight, only to burn me with the sun. She's taking my heart, she doesn't know what she's done. Feel the breath in my face, her body close to me. Can't look in her eyes, she's out of my league. Just a fool to believe I have anything she needs. She's like the wind